one of the many great things that we do here in the city of Philadelphia is honor our retirees. Chance has been a critical member of our team. You can see how unflappable Chance is, which of course is an important characteristic. Chance will remain a member of our extended Philadelphia Fire Department family. I have here, on behalf of Mayor Kenny and a grateful city, a citation for Chance, the 4th ATF trained accelerant detection canine. Let's give Chance a round of applause. We also have the obligatory Philadelphia Fire Department plaque that we'll present to Lieutenant Juarez on Chance. What do you want about this? You know, every retiree needs something to eat. I don't know if that's actually what you do with this, but you got to have a way to fill your time in retirement, that we know how important that is. So Chance,
come here.
the most important thing of all, what do you think?
Yours.
All right. This too, look. What about that? I should have given you that first. Clearly, I should have given you that first. Here, let's take this around here so everybody can get a picture of it. Do you want me to throw it? Oh, there we go. Here, look, ready?
Oh. Yes.
Clearly, he's retired. He's not taking over. One more round of applause.